Okay, anytime we want to do filtration, we've talked about tools that we can use like prefix lists, access lists, standard and extended. But the problem with all of those solutions is that if we lose a link in our infrastructure, we're not going to be learning any of the prefixes that we can use for high availability or alternate reachability. Now, inside of our current line of reasoning, we're going to start moving to tools that are going to allow us to do traffic engineering or filtration based on metric. Now, the idea here is going to be very similar to where we were going through and doing things like with the delay. Now, I mentioned in the previous video that EIGRP uses hop count, and we were talking about offset lists, and that's what this particular video is going to be about, is the use of offset lists to be able to manipulate EIGRP's routing decisions. But we used offsets previously with the concept of our RIP traffic, which uses hop count. EIGRP does have a hop count. It's going to be 100 by default, but when we start manipulating using offset lists, what happens is we're actually manipulating the metric. So the composite metric, we're going to be adding particular values to it. And it's going to be the most straightforward method for us to be able to do manipulations. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to focus on a two-way scenario. We're going to start first with scenario 1. Scenario 1 is going to say prefixes on R22 need to be advertised such that R1 will use R3 to be able to reach traffic. So what that's going to say is I want R1 to use this path right here to